Hey, Skillbite here. Got my car back from being repaired. So here's some video on the damage. Here it is after washing it up, getting the little scuff marks off the PPF. I'm hoping you can see it here in the sun. Touch of paint damage right there and right there. And there's a scrape, at least in the PPF, that may or may not have creased, put a little indentation in the aluminum. I'm not 100% sure. I don't see any paint damage. Maybe there, not and this is tire. I don't know if it goes through, and until you pull the PPF off, I won't know. There is a mark, possibly a crack right there. That'll have to be replaced. And now the repair. So they were able to, now they had to remove the paint protection film off the bumper. This was not painted. They were able to just buff it, and they had to replace the marker light, which took so long with the supply chain issues. The color match is quite good. Now the fender does not have paint protection film, nor does the bumper. The hood does. But if we walk around here, you can compare the door to the fender. Neither of those have paint protection film on them. And you can see the color match looks really good. Now there are a couple things I'm not 100% happy with. I doubt if they're going to show up. But there are very fine scratches on the fender. I don't know if and they're not swirls, they're actually scratches along the length. So I'm not sure. I'm guessing that they didn't really buff it that well when they finished. So I am gonna take and buff that out, make sure that that is nice and smooth, free of scratches and swirls before I have the paint protection film put back on, which, by the way, I gotta wait like 30 days for it to cure with this paint. Since the front bumper was not painted, they can put the paint protection film back on it right away. And there is some overspray right here too. I don't know what that's from, but it looks like it's overspray. And that's just where I used a little polish on it to see if I could get that out, but I'm gonna have to use something a little stronger on there, but that will come out. That's not a big deal. But yeah, that's why you just never want to get in a wreck ever. Even when it's their fault. It's you may not have to pay money to get it fixed, but it's very inconvenient. I enjoy driving the Challenger, even though it can't spin the tires, because it's so different. But glad to have my Miata back. But now I still got to deal with the paint protection film. I got to buff that fender, and so all this because somebody. Oh wait, that's a different video. And if you want to know what happened, watch my video on why you need a dash cam. Anyway, just an update. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, donate, and good luck with yours.